Our crypto trading has been absolutely amazing. As you can see, our crypto wallets have been getting big, fat, and juicy, and we have been getting crypto wins again and again and again, back to back in my private community, in my inner circle. And I'm going to go over some of these crypto call outs that I've actually been giving multiple times this week that has been so profitable for everyone who is in my community, in my inner circle. And I'm going to talk about what I actually see happening in the crypto market that makes a lot of people a little bit unhappy because your crypto portfolio probably isn't looking like the way you want it to be looking. And I'm going to show you something that does seem a little bit positive, but it has a little bit negative to it. But regardless of this news, I'm going to show you how you can still use it to still get your crypto wallet looking bigger and looking more juicier. Now, along with that, we're going to talk about how the crypto market is moving as a whole. And the biggest mistake that I see a lot of people are implementing right now that's actually stopping them to constantly be profit in crypto. And it has to do what I am currently hearing about XRP right now. Crypto trade that we took today was ZBT, and it was a short position, as you guys can see right here. Now with ZBT, you guys can see profits were made very well on that trade. Everybody in the community did well. Here you can see 25% profit on that trade right there with 2x leverage. And we are going to talk about the leverage as well. Here you can see 51% profit was made. Here you can see 15% profit was played. And this was a 1x. Here you can see 33, almost 34% profit. Here you can see 32%. So I can go on again and again and again to show you guys a lot of people in the community took that trade and it went really well. But I want to break it down so that you can actually take advantage of it. Number one, I posted the battle plan of how I plan on making that trade right here so that everyone can see what I saw when I was looking at that trade, and I'll walk you through it so that you know what you need to do if you plan on taking a short position and also make profit. Now, number one, I actually saw the crypto running towards the upside, right? If you want to make money while crypto is going downwards, you don't want to be entering the trade once it's already moving towards the downside. So I saw the upward movement and then boom, that's when I entered to take that entrance on that short position, and then prices ended up moving even lower. And the profit from this was juicy. Now, if you caught the top all the way to the bottom, we are looking at about 20% profit. But like you guys can see, the profit that I actually made from this, it was not 20% profit. This is a 1x. It was 15% profit. And that's actually one of the biggest mistakes I see people make when it comes to trading in crypto is that they try to catch the whole move. Your goal is not to catch the whole move. You don't have to catch 100% of the move. But if you're able to catch 90% of the move, you're able to catch 80% move or 85% move, good work, because you're able to make profit. You're able to still get your crypto wallet a little bigger, a little fatter, and a little juicier. And the reason why it's so difficult to catch 100% of the move, because it's very difficult to know the exact price, the exact moment that crypto is suddenly going to stop and start moving the upward direction. Another juicy trade that we took was Velvet. Right here, you guys can see 23% profit on that trade on a 2x leverage. Here you can see again, someone else in the community, 22% profit on that trade. You can see 22% profit on that trade. Members even took higher leverage. You can see 41% profit on Velvet. You can see right here, 10% profit. So the Velvet trade was a juicy trade. Here was the call out on that Velvet trade, which was yesterday. And I'm going to walk you guys through that once again. Here we can see that the crypto was running toward the upside. Once I saw the crypto running toward the upside, we entered right here. It wasn't a perfect entrance. And I want to be very clear with that. A lot of people are like, oh my God, prices are going the opposite direction. I'm seeing red. I'm down on my trade. Hakuna Matata. Every single time you see red is not the time to panic and get rid of the position. Prices went up a little bit higher than our entry, but what did we say? We stuck to the strategy. And what happened? Down it came and we made juicy profits. And if you measure this as between the top of that all the way to the bottom, it's 18% profit. Well, guess what? I did not get 18% profit on that trade. And you don't have to get all of the entire move. But as long as if you're able to get most of the move, great work. You guys can see that was 23% profit on that trade, meaning I got about 12% profit of the entire 18%, which is still good because your crypto wallet is, and say it with me, is getting big, fat, and juicy. Another crypto trade that we took this week was this crypto called Tag. And we traded Tag actually multiple times within these past few weeks. Right here, you can see this was a Tag trade, almost 22% profit on that with 2x leverage. Here you can see we took the Tag trade again, 22% profit on 3x leverage. Tag again, 34% profit. We actually traded it multiple times this week. The first time we entered it was right here. Tag was running towards the upside. We ended up taking that short position and boom, we crushed that bad boy on the way down. And then the following few days, we saw Tag make another run toward the upside and we entered that short position again. And we were able to make money while it went down again. One of the biggest mistakes that I see a lot of people make in crypto and why they're not able to constantly make profit again and again and again, the way we have been making in our inner circle, in my private community, trading multiple of these crypto projects is because they focus on being one directional trader. What you have to realize, crypto does two main things. Prices will go up and prices will also come down. If all you're doing is waiting for the bull market for prices to run higher and higher, guess what? You're only going to make money once prices start going up and you're leaving half of the money on the table, which is when prices starts moving down. And even in the bull market, guess what happened? Prices will come up and it will come down again. So that's why I always advise people is take the time to learn how to short to make money while crypto is going down so that you position yourself to make as much money as possible. So that regardless the crypto market ends up pumping higher or it ends up going lower, you'll still be in a place where you're constantly trading and you're constantly able to make profit regardless of how the crypto market moves. I am now going to expose one of the biggest crypto scam that I keep seeing people talk about on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever social media platform that is holding so many people from leveling up in crypto and actually making money on a consistent basis. And the terrible part about it is that a lot of people in my community, in my inner circle have actually fallen for this. And it's not until we break down mindset that they're finally actually able to overcome it to make profits in crypto consistently. Let's go on a walk and talk about it. This video is sponsored by Lit Crypto, which is an online community that's focused on two things: investing in crypto and trading crypto. It's to make profit within the short term and make profit within the long term. So if you're tired of seeing other people constantly make profit in crypto, to know what crypto to buy, to know what crypto to sell, to know what time to buy, to know what time to sell, so that they can maximize their profit, click the link in the bio and join a community of people who are constantly profiting as they continue to invest and trade crypto. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of our generation, said, the more you learn, the more you earn. So let's begin learning to see how much we can earn. Telling people to trade crypto on high leverage. And if anyone says that, I think they're either number one, someone who's never actually traded crypto, or number two, they have no idea what they're talking about, or number three, they're a scammer. I have met a lot of people who have done very well in this industry. But one thing I have never met is someone who's able to trade on crypto with very high leverage and is able to make profit consistently for an extended period of time. Yes, you can trade on high leverage for maybe 1 week or 1 month and make profit, but I've never seen anyone be able to do it for an extended period of time, such as 6 months or 1 year. And after that 6 months time or 1 year time, that their crypto wallet is actually larger than it was before. And it's because when you're trading on these massive leverage, like 100x leverage, if the crypto moves 1%, you're liquidated. You've done. You've lost all that hard-earned cash. When you're trading on 200x leverage, if the crypto moves 0.5%, you lose everything. That is not worth it. And no matter how good of a trader you actually are, that small margin of error is just way too small to be able to constantly make profit and grow your crypto account, because you're going to end up losing it all. And another major thing that I keep seeing people fall for, that is stopping them from achieving their crypto goal, that is stopping them from progressing faster in achieving their financial goals, is they're getting way too emotionally attached to some crypto project. XRP wheels keep buying the dip. And we know that a lot of crypto projects are going down and a lot of crypto projects are struggling. That's not a surprise. But the mistake that a lot of people are doing is they're buying these cryptos, and even when prices runs higher and higher and higher, they're not taking profits. I'm going to tell you a crazy story. I had someone join my crypto community and we were investing, we're trading, we're making money, and things are going really, really well. Now, my rule when it comes to making profit in crypto, I always say we got to do two things. We got to be accumulating key crypto projects for the long term, so that we're grandmas and grandpas and we're wrinkly, we have a nice, big, fat, juicy crypto wallet. And we can use that money to do whatever we want. But we're also making money today, this week, this month to make money in the short term to still live our best life. So this person who joined my community bought XRP when it was all the way down here. It was only around the 20 cents price range. And what happened with XRP? I'm talking about XRP exploded, went all the way to over $3 price range. Now, he was hyped, he was excited, and he was making so much money. Now, look at the math behind this. Him buying XRP when it was 20 cents, and let's just say he only put in $5,000 at that time. That $5,000 would have been close to $90,000 in profit. And I remember when he messaged me and he said, "Hey, Naicke, I'm really up on my XRP. This is how much money I'm up. What do you think I should do? XRP is currently at an all-time high. What are your thoughts?" And I said, "Hey, I definitely think it's time to take profit. I would take major profit." But he was so attached. He loved his XRP. He didn't want to let it go. He's like, "All right, I'll let some go." And he ended up selling like maybe 10% of it XRP. But what happened shortly with XRP, as you guys can see, XRP actually started to move a little bit lower and lower. And then once he saw this happening, he's like, "Whoa, XRP is moving lower. Naicke, what do you think I should do?" I said, "I think you should take a lot of profit." So he ended up selling 50% of all of his holding. And then XRP just continued to collapse. Now he messaged me and he said, "Oh my goodness, I am so happy that I sold at least half of my XRP because now he has significantly more funds available to allocate it to other cryptos or other opportunities to help him make more money." But there's way too many people who get so attached to a crypto where they'll buy a crypto and they'll be up 80K, 90K, 100K, 200K, but they never sell and they don't take profit. And now when we're in the bear market and prices are going lower and lower and lower, they beat themselves up and they completely regret and they say, "Oh, why didn't I sell? I should have sold." So remember, these cryptos are just technology. They're tech companies, they're startups, and they have one goal. And that one goal is to generate profit. And guess what your goal is? To generate profit as well. So once you allocate your money in a crypto and it's not meeting expectations, then you have to let it go. And once you allocate your money in a crypto and it does meet expectation, what do? You let it go so you can actually secure the bag, secure the profit, and continue to live your best life. If you're liking the crypto gems that I'm sharing, make sure you hit the subscribe button and check the link below to join my crypto community where we're actively investing and trading crypto.